Hi, I'm Mike, and I'm here with Daniel and Roman. We're all engineers from the Android team, and we're going to be introducing a concept called applications without borders. With Android, applications can integrate features and data from other applications. They can also use all of the hardware sensors on the device, including GPS, compass, accelerometer, and the camera. And of course, they can also use all of the content available through web APIs. Now, Daniel's application is a really good example of this.
I'm one of the engineers working on Zebra Crossing, an open source library to decode barcodes using a camera phone. We have a great client for Android, which really shows off how we can integrate with the system. So here's the application running using the camera preview. And now I'm going to scan a product. There we go. And I can open product search by sending an intent. We can also recognize 2D barcodes called QR codes. Let me show you. So here's my business card, which has a barcode on the back. And when I scan it, you get my contact info. So you can add me as a contact without having to type it out. Or if I cancel out of there, you can do a few other things. You can dial a number using the dialer, or you can send an email to my address. My app also publishes intents so that other applications can scan barcodes too.
I found this feature really useful, and I decided to integrate it into my own application without doing the work. This is a list of books that I keep with me in my pocket at all times, and I wanted a way to be able to quickly and easily add new books to my library. So when you click the Add menu, I simply fire an intent that starts Daniel's application, and I can now scan a book to add it to the library. And once the book is scanned, the application downloads information about the book on the internet. So really here I created a mashup that leveraged the features of both of our applications to create a richer user experience. Now Mike will show you a different kind of mashup.
Now, my application mixes together user-created content from the web along with compass and GPS information and an embedded map view all into kind of a geosocial stew. So we're going to start by launching the application. And when it comes up, we see an embedded map view. This is showing the area that I'm going to use to search for pictures, and it's centered on my current location using GPS. When you hit the search button, it goes out to the Panoramio web service and finds the most popular photographs that were taken in this area. Now, here we have a picture of the T-Rex skeleton that's on Google's campus. Don't ask. When you click on that, you get more details about that photo. And if you want to find where that actually is in the real world, you have two choices. You can either click on the map menu, and that will bring up a custom map view that has a push pin with the physical location of where that picture was taken. And it also shows your location using GPS. And if you want to navigate there by walking, you can hit the radar view, and that will give you a bearing to that statue, to that skeleton. So the T-Rex is 200 yards that way. We hope that these demos have shown that with Android you can think about application development in a fundamentally different way. We've already seen examples where developers are building on each other's work to combine features in exciting new ways, and we can't wait to see what you come up with.